The Gigabyte C301 Glass White is an impressive contender in the budget-friendly PC case market, offering a solid feature set at a price that remains remarkably competitive for its class. With a price tag around $109.99, this case stands out for builders seeking a roomy chassis with ample airflow, a modern look, and some RGB flair without breaking the bank. At first glance, the C301 Glass White delivers a spacious design that can accommodate a variety of components, from large motherboards to oversized graphics cards. The case supports eATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini IDX form factors, providing flexibility for different setups. One of the most attractive features is the inclusion of 4 ARGB fans and an integrated ARGB controller, which allows you to easily toggle between 13 different lighting modes. This, paired with the ARGB strip behind the front panel logo, adds a dynamic touch to the aesthetic. Gigabyte also includes a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, a nod to the latest connectivity standards, which is a welcome addition in a case of this price range. However, while the C301 Glass White excels in connectivity and cooling, there are a few drawbacks worth mentioning. Notably, there is no front panel dust filter, which can lead to dust buildup over time. The bottom dust filter is a bit difficult to remove, which could be a frustration for users who plan to clean it frequently. Additionally, the drive racks and cable management features are a little less refined than some premium cases, with the absence of square grommets around cable passages and a somewhat flimsy ARGB header that can come loose during handling. In terms of cooling potential, the case is well equipped to handle multiple radiators. Gigabyte states that the case supports radiators up to 360 millimeters in the front, but during testing, we found that a 420 millimeters radiator fits comfortably, although it may require some careful adjustments to get the positioning just right. The design also includes ample space for cable management, with enough room to tuck away excess cables behind the motherboard tray. While the C301 Glass White is not without its flaws, its combination of good airflow, solid construction, and modern features like ARGB lighting and Type-C connectivity make it a strong contender for anyone building a mid-range PC. For its price, it offers excellent value, making it one of the best options for budget-conscious PC builders looking for both performance and style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.